Okay, so let's do this problem together. So first I'm going to draw the box. So looking at this, we've got our box. We've got arrow, arrow, Johanna, Jose. And then I've got 175 newtons and 250 newtons. So the first question asks, describe the forces Johanna and Jose apply to the box. So, we can see, let's start with Johanna. So I can see that Johanna applies a force of, and then there's the value of her force, 250 newtons, so I can put that in my statement. 250 newtons. And then let's say direction, so she's pointing to the left. So I'm going to say Johanna applies a force of 250 newtons to the left on the box. Box. And then for Jose, we can say, Jose applies a force of, there's his force right there, 175 newtons to the right on the box. Remember when we talk about force, we talk about the magnitude, right? So we're going to discuss the magnitude of the force along with direction. So we say how much force and what direction. How much force, what direction. Okay? And then the second part says, number 2 says, what is the net force applied to the box? Remember, we talked about positives and negatives, so I'll write that in blue. Right, so Johanna's applying a force to the left, and we count lefts as negatives, and 175 as a positive. So one way to do that is negative 250 plus 175, or you can simply do 250 minus 175. Either way, you'll get to the same answer. But don't forget, for this one, you'll have to put, and we'll talk about when we get there. So, 250 minus 175, that's going to be about 75. However, this one is going to be a negative 75. This one would be a 75. But then because there's more force being applied to the left, we know that the box is going to continue to move to the left. So 75 newtons to the left. Right? And remember that negative tells us it's either to the left or down, right? So that negative sign means either left or down. So make sure you specify which direction when you have that negative symbol so we know which way that box is going. Okay, let's try some more on the next couple of slides.